Good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning. We're getting this week off to a good start, and I have a couple things to show you here. This comes to us from New Craft Day. They let me get a couple of things, and I'm going to show you what we have. Before I talk about what we have, let me tell you that New Craft Day has some deals going. They have a code. You don't need to, you can go to the site. Once you go to the site, you'll see all the deals. There's a 10% off deal, or there's a 2 free gift deal, free shipping over $50. So they have deals going on. Make sure you check them out. You'll see them all on the very first page when you get there. All right. So let me show you what we got. I'll save that one for a minute since you can already see this one. I like these. These are the magnetic poster hangers, and I really am enjoying those. Oh, it's just a rubber band. I'm like, how do I get that off there? I thought it was one of those plastic strap type things, but no, it's not. So I have used this a couple times. I have a couple things framed with these. I don't think I've gotten any that are this large. I think the last ones I used were a little bit shorter than this. I did something for my mom. But these are really cool. They're easy to use. I did end up gluing my mother's painting in here because it kept wanting to slide out. And that's easy enough to do. I just used some Gorilla Glue. I put it on my canvas, glued it right in there. But these have magnets. They're pretty strong. These are actually nice and strong. So you'll see the 3 magnets. And this one goes on the bottom of your canvas. It gives it weight, so that it will hang down nicely. And this one goes on the top. And again, it has, these are nice and tough magnets. Has the 3 magnets. And you put the top of the canvas here. And it just snaps in there. And then it will hang, like this. It'll hang like this. Should have grabbed a canvas to put in there, shouldn't I? Anyhow, it goes like that. And it will hang your canvas. Now, I got just this natural wood type. I believe you can get different colors. I thought you could even paint this. If you wanted to have a matching color, you could paint this to match your canvas, which would be kind of cool. But they're really, really easy to use. They're really nice. And even if your canvas is a little heavier and does want to slide out, it's easy to just glue these in there. It's not hard to do. Just put glue along the top. You just got to cut the canvas so that it fits in there and put some glue on the top, and there you go. So they do have those. I like that. I'll link them below because I don't recall the price right now, but I will link them below. They were a good price. So there's that. All right. So we got that item. And then we have this item. When stuff's in a box like this, it's going to be fun. And it's Smashing the Specials time. So this might be something I want to work on. Let's see. I'm putting aside all Christmas stuff this time. I'm not doing anything Christmas right now. Oh, look. We get construction. We get a toolkit. We get drills. There we go. What do we have? Here's your basic toolkit. Okay. Here are pegs and washers and screws and a screwdriver. Everything you'll need to put it together is in your bag here. And they're really easy to put these things together, you guys. They're not hard at all. Look, we have 2 different bags of drills. I've learned from some past unboxings what that means. And I'll tell you. Okay, so this is what I'm going to call a swing. This is like our little pendulum will swing off. And there's one for each side. So it will stand up like this. And your pegs go in here. You see the holes? Your pegs will go in here and screw together to make this a stable platform. So this gets drills. One of those packages is for this, all right? The other package is for the other part. That's how they've done it. They've separated the drills based on your swing, your pendulum part, and then what's swinging. The swinging. But there's the base. Okay, we'll look at the drills for it in a second. And then we have a 2-sided basket. It's just a beautiful basket of flowers. And there are quite a few special drills in here. 13 and 15 are special drills. 4, no, that looks like a rhinestone. 14, 13, and 15 look like they're special drills. Pretty, pretty little basket of flowers. And then it will swing by this, right? Yeah. And then it hooks to the other side with some pegs. So this will be one piece, and it'll be together like this. Put your pegs in between, and it'll stay together. You hook that together, but then it will swing from the top of the pendulum. That's what this hole at the top is for. So it will swing, right? So it's so fun. 2 pieces. I love it. These are so cool. I haven't put one of the swinging ones together yet. Oh, but I have some that I'm ready to work on for Smashing the Specials. All right. So you will notice that this one has numbers like 1 through 7. Okay. So we're looking for the bag that only has 1 through 7. And I think it's this one, because it's a little thin bag. All right, let's see. Yep, there we go. Okay, so here's our rhinestones. We've got pink, gold, peach, a little darker peach, and red. So that will go on here, and so will these specials. We have a pretty little blue, faceted, and we have some pearls. Love that, right? So that's what goes on here. All right, love it. So those go with that. And then these will go with the flowers. Let's see what we have. Spring is coming. It really is, honest. I mean, we might be buried in snow right now, but spring will get here, you guys. It really will. So we have some beautiful blues. There's another blue, some gold, a clear, oh, there it is, clear, another blue. It is predominantly blue flowers. Another blue, a pink. So that's a salmon color. I would call that salmon. That's pink. And then we have leaves and greenery. So we got a few greens here. That one and that one and that one. 3 greens and kind of like a topaz color. Then we have some pearls. Look at the pretty pearls. Yellow pearls. Some beautiful blue iridescent teardrops. I love these. These are so pretty. And then we have some clear iridescent teardrops. So that's what will go on the basket of flowers, you guys. What do you think? I really need to get one of these swinging items done so that I can actually show you guys what they look like when they swing, you know, because it will attach up here in the base. And it will just be free flowing in here. And it will be able to just swing back and forth along its little, you know, it'll be so much fun. I really need to get one of these done. All right, so I will link this below as well as the poster hangers, and you guys can check them out, check out their deals. Yeah, and hopefully you'll be able to see this completed pretty soon for February for Smashing the Specials. And you can see it actually in motion. What do you think? All right. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. And check out New Craft Day and their deals. And I'll put the links below. Hit the like button, subscribe while you're below looking for the links to the products. And, you know, give me a thumbs up or, you know, whatever. You know, show some love. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.